Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to fix file associated error message like on my screen. There are several reasons for this problem. Let's start at how to fix. At first go to your search bar and search by regedit and click on it for opening registry editor. After opening, on the left side click on HKey classes root. After that scroll down and find our directory option and click on it. Now select cell option from the directory file and on the right side select default option and click on right side on your mouse. Now from the options click on modify option and in the box type none and click on OK. After that close the window. Check now that your problem is solved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.